How's it going, guys? Naman here, and today I'd be explaining you how to make a professional letterhead inside Word. Before we get into this video, how about you hit that bell icon and also subscribe to the channel so that you never miss out any of our future videos. Now that you have done that, let's get into today's content. So first of all, to make a professional letterhead, we need to create a new blank document. That's what I am doing here right now. As you can see, I have just saved it with doc1 because why not? And then we are just getting inside it. So first of all, go to layout and change the margins, all the margins left, right, top and bottom to 0, because in a letterhead it's bad to see spaces. Just ignore this error because I have tried it and it's just senseless, so why not ignore it. Next up, what we're gonna do is just set the size of the page to A4. That's it, that's all done. That's all page setup that you need to do. Now you need to go to insert shapes, and then you need to select from stars and banners this one. I don't know the name of this thing, but this looks nice. So just make it like complete width of the page, and then just drag it a bit above, so a bit to the top, so that it just shows up the bottom part on the page. And just go to drawing tools or format, change the shape fill to black. That's it. I like the color black, so I'm just keeping it black. You can keep it any color or even a custom color if you are willing to do so. Next up, we're gonna insert our logo. So insert pictures, go to your place where you have your logo, like I have an AT branding logo, and I'm just gonna insert the black one because we cannot invert colors right now. So here you see my logo is too big because it's in vector quality, so I'm just gonna drag it down a bit small. Now because it's not coming to front, what you need to do is go to wrap text settings, and then just set it to square, and then it will come to front, and you can even drag it anywhere on the screen you want. So we're just gonna send this to back, this black piece, and then we're gonna just decrease the size of our logo so that we can place it above this design that we are using for our letterhead. So we're just gonna keep it like that. And yes, I'm gonna place a download link to all these files that I'm making so that you can just easily edit them and make your own letterhead. So no worries in that case. So now what we're gonna do is insert our company name, which we're gonna do using a text box, a simple text box. We're gonna drag it small, just accurate size for our company name that is actually text. So I'm just gonna turn some settings up for this text, and I'm gonna type in actually tech after I change my font. So we're gonna type in actually tech, yeah. And we can now even make this smaller, or I think the font size can be a bit bigger. Like it isn't looking that good in small font size, so I'm just gonna increase the font size. You may face problems doing this because Word isn't really made for making letterheads, but why not just extend, check the limits of the software, like what can Word do. All right, so next up, we are really good looking here with our logo, but we want some icons to be placed on our right side of the letterhead, like call, website, and other stuff. So for that, you need to go to Chrome, and the website is flaticon.com. Just visit that website. It's 100% legit and gives you all the icons that you would probably need for any of your projects. So first of all, I think I'll be using call. Just ignore the ads. So first of all, I'm gonna use call, and I'm gonna take let's say the first icon. Yeah, we're gonna take the first one. It looks nice. Again, add. Oh, all right. So we're gonna select PNG. The color can be golden because why not? Black, golden looks nice over black. So we're gonna save it in 128 bits pixels, sorry. You can save it in even 512 if you're interested, but I think 128 is more than enough. And then we're gonna hit insert pictures, and we're gonna go to our place and phone call.png. Again, this image needs to be, square with wrap text, because otherwise it won't come up properly. So we're just gonna drag it down a bit and in size, and you can see it's looking nice. Next thing, I'm gonna just put website or maybe web. So there are heck a lot of icons available for web, but I think I'm gonna be taking let's say, which one should I take? Because it's a professional letterhead, I would rather take this grid world icon. Same golden and 128 bits. Downloading now. Alright, placing it again onto our letterhead, the word letterhead, and again wrap text needs to be square, I'm sorry, and we're gonna just place it just below our call, a bit more aligned, like it shouldn't look unprofessional because the title itself says it's a professional letterhead, right? Alright, so the third icon that we're gonna place is probably going to be the platform you're watching this video on. Yeah, I just, did a random search for social media, but I thought, why not YouTube then, because it's going to be on YouTube, so just YouTube. So when I click this icon, this wasn't available in a different color, like I wanted this to be in golden, so I just again searched for YouTube. And then I was able to find it in golden color. There we go. Alright, again placing this icon right in here. Again placing it in a square. Aligning this thing is really important because it's a professional letterhead and you cannot do anything you will. Alright, so next up what we want is text in front of these icons. So again, what we can, oh wait, holy. Alright, I did that because there was a blue line coming and I just noticed that. So we're gonna change this font again. I don't like this right now with the icons, so yeah, that looks nice. So that's up to you. It's your brand name, it's your letterhead, design a bit more better. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna insert a text box, simple text box, and we're gonna just drag it small in one line. Oh, sorry. The problem with Word is you cannot lock shapes once you have, finalized their position. Maybe Microsoft will look into it real soon. I'm just keeping the color white because I don't want to change it anyway. So just dragging it really nicely. I'm keeping it with the call icon, and I'm gonna put a number that even I don't know. So that would be +91 xxxxxxxxx, because I don't want to reveal my number, privacy issues. All right, so next up what we're gonna do is we gonna just hold control. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold control and drag it below to just copy and paste that below. And now here we're gonna put our website address, that is www.actuallytech.tk. that contains a double L, I guess. Yeah. So next up what we're gonna do is again duplicate it for our YouTube. I don't really have youtube.com/actuallytech still because I'm still at just 7 subscribers. Most probably will get more real soon because I'm producing content. So yeah, let's see. So first of all, this looks nice in my opinion. What do you think? How it looks like to you? So just you can put that in the comments and let me know that it's nice or it's good, it's great. Alright, so next up we're gonna insert another text box, and that's going to be for our date. Because I am, kind of tech savvy person, so I won't be using it in a printed format. But I'm going to be leaving, date, colon, hyphen, and then dots, full stops, just because if you're kind of like not that tech savvy person. But in my case, I'm gonna just use document field, insert, in here we find document fields, I think. Yeah, field. I'm gonna go to field, and in here just you can search from the list date, here date, and select the kind of format that you want. So in here that will update automatically each time I open the document. And because I'm going to be typing the letters more than anything else, so why not? All right, so this looks nice, but I think it needs a bit of aligning. Yeah, I can keep the font Arial, like, yeah, link to these fonts that I use in the video will be also down in the description. You can just check them also out. No problem at all. Just go and download these fonts, free for use. All right, next up what we're gonna do is we're gonna just put a slight little banner in the background, in the footer, because it's a professional letterhead, so it should have something more professional in the footer kind of area. So we're gonna just drag it, like it should be minimal, so it should be pretty small in size in the end. So we're gonna just put it black and no outline. So now you can just see what it looks like. We can even keep an outline for the shape if you want. Just make it a bit bigger so that it doesn't appear. All right, looks nice. Now you can see it in a full-fledged view. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really did, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I really need support. Share this video as many times as possible. This is Naman signing out. See you in the next one.